Ukrainian officers and ratings to Embark 1076. Let me explain what's going on today. We have certain European companies doing cabotage in Spain with Malta, Madeira, Cyprus, European flags. Now, I'm disregarding Spanish, Italian, and the rest. So, these cabotage companies, we have a bunker ship in Valencia, Cyprus flag, 12 crew only. We need to have 50% Europeans. You, Ukrainian officers and ratings, count us for this oil tanker cabotage in Valencia. You count as Europeans. So, you can apply there. We need a chief engineer, about 11k euro, and then second engineer, and then a captain has to be Spanish because this cabotage exemption and so on, and the language with the oil terminal. But if there is a Ukrainian captain that has Espanol a little bit for operations with the shore oil terminal operators, then would be appreciated. But also, if you are an AB, cook, motorman, junior officer from Ukraine and you happen to be living close to Valencia, you do not disregard this job opportunity, number one. Number two, we are starting also with the ROPAX and the RORO ships, and fast ferry ships. Ukrainian officers and ratings also. In those cases, for example, the ABs, 2,700 euro. Yeah, you heard well. So, if you are with dollars and you are sailing around the planet and you're thinking, well, why not in the Mediterranean, South Strait of Gibraltar trade with Candina, and I can be closer to my home and so on, to my family. Apply urgently, like, subscribe, and many thanks indeed. All the best, Ukrainian officers and ratings. Also, we happen to have other job opportunities. We are taking over tankers in Nigeria trade, in America trade, which is a bit more complicated because there is no flights now. And what's happening today? Today there are no available seats on board planes because everybody is flying around to see and do selfies with the family and so on. Therefore also the planes are very expensive, so you are very close to Spain. We need you to apply here because these jobs are not just for the short term, at the long term. In Spain, the government pays people for not working. So no one really wants to work. They have this mentality, I'm not working, oh, let's go to the beach and have sun. Okay, let's make money. Here I am. Today is a big fiesta day. I'm working, I'm taking over ships, and I really hope to count with you. Like, subscribe. Thank you very much indeed for your time. All the best. Peace. Bye.